loves! Welcome to my channel. My name is Gracie Papio and today's video will be doing this makeup look. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. I applied Biore UV Aqua Watery Essence which has SPF 50 prior to filming. I am using Bareminerals Original Foundation in today's video. I'm using the shade Medium Beige 12. I could honestly go one shade darker as this foundation is a little light on me. This foundation is very lightweight and it has a broad spectrum SPF 15 which will protect my skin from damaging UVA and UVB. This has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide which will immediately block UV rays from absorbing into the skin. The downside of this foundation though is you'll have to slowly build the color by starting with a small amount. It may not be the best option if you are in a hurry. I find that this is best applied with the EcoTools retractable kabuki brush. I'm just buffing this into my skin until I'm happy with the coverage. The brow primer should help the brow powder adhere to my brows, making it easier to apply the product. Angie Di Battista, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, is a makeup artist I follow. She uses this got-to-be styling spiking glue to set the brows in place. I love using this on my brows to make it feathery. Plus, it is a cheaper alternative to ABH brow gel. One tube will last you for a long time. I wanted a pop of color on my lids, so I applied the shade Running Late from the Extra Spice palette. I applied this only on the outer portion of my lids. I then blend the color using a clean brush. I picked up a little bit of the shade Cookie Dough and blended this on my crease area to give my eyes more definition. I slightly lift my eyebrow and apply the color where my eye socket is. I dabbed the shade every day on the inner portion of my eyelids and blended this up until the crease area. I then went back to the other eyeshadow shades to reapply some of the colors on my eyelids.
Medyo chaotic ngayon yung kwarto namin ng mag-asawa. Ayan. Nilagay ko lang yung kama namin dyan sa TV, sa tapat ng TV. At saka yung mga gamit namin. And this is what I'm working with. Ayan. And that's my setup right now. Pero, tinanggal ko yung ring light ko. So, actually, okay yung ilaw kahit walang ring light. So, I think I'll do that for now. Ayun. Ayan, magulo.
At before?
Ayun. So, ito yung video ko. So,